Hi everyone, welcome to Tech World. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem Kohl's gift card online using your computer. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you never miss another upcoming updates from us to redeem your Kohl's gift card online. Open up a web browser first, enter the URL box appearing at the top of the screen, type in www.Kohlscom and press enter on your keyboard. You end up in the official website of Kohl's, which looks like this. Go and click on the account tab located at the top right hand corner and click on sign in. You'll need to sign into your account first in order to redeem your code. So once you click on the sign in button, you end up in the login area for Kohlscom. Enter your email address followed by a password that is associated with your Kohlscom account. Finally, click on the sign in button. And once you log into your account for Kohlscom, go ahead and select a product that you'd like to purchase from the website. In order to show it to you, let me pick a random product. Once you find the product that you'd like to purchase, give it a click and click on Add to Cart after selecting the quantity of the product. Once you do that, you can continue shopping if you'd like to shop for more, but if you'd like to check out, click on View Cart and check out in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see all the items that you have added in your shopping bag. If everything looks alright, and you'd like to check out with the product, click on the checkout button at the upper right hand corner. Now it will ask you to give in further information on the next page. If you want to make a payment via credit or debit card, then you can click on one of these options over here at the bottom of the page. If you want to redeem your gift card and use it as a method of payment with the product, then click on Add a Gift Card button from this page. Now you'll be able to see further details with the gift card option. Go ahead and type in your card number that is available at the back of your gift card for Kohl's, and once you type it in into the card number text box, head over to the next field and type in your PIN code available at the back of your gift card as well. Finally, click on the Done button so that you can redeem your gift card for Kohl's while checking out with the product online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.